to the adjective tall, you can create the comparative taller and the superlative tallest. If we use these adjectives in a sentence, the sentences will be like this: Ram is taller than Shyam. Another example: Shyam is the tallest student in the class. Students, some important suffixes we will study in today's video. There are a number of suffixes in English. Some of them are noun suffixes, adjective suffixes, verb suffixes and adverb suffixes. First, we will study noun suffixes. Today we will cover suffix, their meaning, root word and word with suffix. First suffix is year, which means engaged in something. Root word engine, word with suffix engineer. Another example, root word auction, word with suffix auctioneer. Next suffix is er. Er means who performs action. For example, root word help, word with suffix helper. Another example, root word teach, word with suffix teacher. Next suffix is ein, which means action. Root word celebrate, word with suffix celebration. Another example, root word revise, word with suffix revision. Next suffix is et, which means state or condition. Root word equal, word with suffix equality. Another example, root word probable, word with suffix probability. Next suffix is ment, which means action or result. Root word move, word with suffix movement. Root word retire, word with suffix retirement. Next suffix is ness, which means state or quality. Root word aware, word with suffix awareness. Root word kind, word with suffix kindness. Next suffix is which means person. Root word translate, word with suffix translator. Another example, root word conduct, word with suffix conductor. Next suffix is shen, which means state or being. Root word tense, word with suffix tension. Root word confuse, word with suffix confusion. Next suffix is ship, which means position. Root word owner, word with suffix ownership. Next suffix is which means state or quality. Root word deep, word with suffix depth. Root word warm, word with suffix warmth. Friends, these are the suffixes. With the help of these we can form a noun form of various words. Now we will study adjective suffixes, in which first is able, which means capable of being. Root word read, word with suffix readable. Root word prevent, word with suffix preventable. Next suffix is al, which means pertaining to. Root word nature, word with suffix natural. Root word season, word with suffix seasonal. Next suffix is ant, which means inclined to. Root word reliance, word with suffix reliant. Next suffix is ari, which means of or relating to. Root word honor, word with suffix honorary. Next suffix is full, which means full of. Root word beauty, word with suffix beautiful. Root word wonder, word with suffix wonderful. Next suffix is ik, which means relating to. Root word icon, word with suffix iconic. Root word hero, word with suffix heroic. Next suffix is es, which means having qualities. Root word grace, word with suffix gracious. Root word caution, word with suffix cautious. Root word humor, word with suffix humorous. Next suffix is ew, which means quality. Root word create, word with suffix creative. Root word expense, word with suffix expensive. Next suffix is less, which means without. Root word hope, word with suffix hopeless. Root word fear, word with suffix fearless. Root word rest, word with suffix restless. Next suffix is y, which means made up of. Root word brain, word with suffix brainy. Root word taste, word with suffix tasty. Root word fruit, word with suffix fruity. Friends, these are the suffixes which we can add to the verbs or nouns to create adjectives. Next are the verb suffixes which are added to the verbs, adjectives and nouns to create verbs from them. First suffix is ed, which means past tense of a verb. Root word laugh, word with suffix laughed. Root word play, word with suffix played. Next suffix is n, which means become. Root word soft, word with suffix soften. Root word length, word with suffix lengthen. Root word strength, word with suffix strengthen. Next suffix is ing, which is used for present participle. Root word laugh, word with suffix laughing. Root word drive, word with suffix driving. Another example, root word write, word with suffix writing. Next suffix is is, izd or ise, which means to cause. Root word advert, word with suffix advertise. Another example, root word author, word with suffix authorize. So these are the suffixes which are used to create verbs. Next we will study adverb suffixes, in which first is ly, which means manner. Root word brave, word with suffix bravely. Root word simple, word with suffix simply. Root word honest, word with suffix honestly. Next suffix is word, which means in a direction. Root word back, word with suffix backward. Root word after, word with suffix afterward. Then last suffix wise, which means in relation to. Root word clock, word with suffix clockwise. Root word length, word with suffix lengthwise. So these were the suffixes. आवडला असेल तर आपल्या मित्रांपर्यंत शेअर करायला विसरू नका. पुन्हा भेटूया एका नवीन विषयासह. तोपर्यंत नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.